3 things people with a strong immune system do. In this presentation, you will learn 3 things that people with a robust immune system do daily. If you start applying these things today, you can expect your immune system to be better prepared to fight off illnesses. Here's what people with a strong immune system do. They get enough sleep. People with a healthy immune system sleep between 7 and 9 hours per night. Unfortunately, more than 1 person out of 3 does not get adequate sleep. Sleep is vital to produce cytokines, which is a protein that reduces infection in the body. If you don't get enough sleep, your immune system can't function optimally. People who have a reliable immune system have implemented a daily sleep routine where they go to bed at a specific time and usually relax an hour before bed without screen time or activities that tends to reset the brain. They get enough vitamin D. Vitamin D is typically provided by sunlight, although it can be difficult for most people to get enough vitamin D during the winter. According to research, 1 person out of 2 is vitamin D deficient. A deficiency in vitamin D means that you increase your chances of getting an autoimmune disease. To prevent this from happening, you can either make an effort to get more sun exposure while protecting your skin, take a daily supplement, or add fatty fish like tuna, mackerel, or salmon to your diet. They get enough relaxation. Stress is a major cause of illnesses. 1 person out of 3 reports feeling very stressed daily. Mental tension tends to put us at risk of activating harmful viruses that may be in our system. People with a healthy immune system have learned to tame the stress in their life. They have learned a way to change their perspective to be less reactive about various situations that may arise. If you're interested in doing so, you might want to look into mindfulness practices or daily meditation. Those 2 approaches are known to reduce stress and bring inner peace even while life gets chaotic. By applying these 3 things that people with a robust immune system do, you increase your immune system ability to fight diseases caused by viruses or bacteria. You can adapt your lifestyle to make sure you get enough sleep, more sun, and more time to relax.
For more free educational content, visit learnforfree.biz. Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo.